sports car for 2025 to 2024 Mazda MX-5 Miata. The 2024 Mazda MX-5 Miata has been crowned the best sports car for 2025, continuing its legacy as an icon in the world of driving enthusiasts. Renowned for its perfect blend of lightweight agility, open-top fun, and accessible performance, the MX-5 Miata remains a benchmark for pure driving pleasure. Timeless performance and engaging driving experience. The 2024 Mazda MX-5 Miata embodies the essence of a true sports car, delivering an exhilarating driving experience that is unmatched in its class. Powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 181 horsepower and 151 lb-ft of torque, the Miata may not boast the highest horsepower figures, but it doesn't need to. The Miata's charm lies in its lightweight design, perfectly balanced chassis, and responsive handling. Weighing in at just over 2,300 pounds, the Miata's low curb weight allows it to accelerate briskly and corner with precision. The standard 6-speed manual transmission enhances the driving experience, offering crisp, direct shifts that connect the driver to the car in a way few others can. For those who prefer, a 6-speed automatic transmission is also available, but the manual remains the purist's choice. The MX-5's rear-wheel drive layout and 50-50 weight distribution contribute to its agile and playful nature, making every drive a memorable one. Iconic design and driver-focused interior. The 2024 MX-5 Miata stays true to its roots with a design that is both timeless and modern. Its compact, roadster proportions, combined with flowing lines and a sleek profile, give it an unmistakable presence on the road. The manually operated soft top can be lowered or raised in seconds, allowing drivers to enjoy open-air motoring at a moment's notice. Inside, the Miata offers a minimalist yet well-appointed cabin focused on the driver. The low seating position, sporty bucket seats, and simple control layout emphasize the car's driver-centric ethos. The interior also features a 7-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring modern connectivity without detracting from the car's classic feel. Advanced safety and technology. While the MX-5 Miata is celebrated for its simplicity, it does not skimp on safety. The 2024 model comes equipped with Mazda's iActive Sense suite of safety features, including blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and lane departure warning. These technologies provide added peace of mind, whether cruising through city streets or carving up back roads. Affordability and accessibility. One of the key factors behind the MX-5 Miata's enduring appeal is its affordability. Mazda has managed to keep the Miata accessible to a wide range of drivers, offering an entry point into the world of sports cars that doesn't break the bank. Its combination of price, performance, and driving joy makes it an unbeatable value in the sports car segment. Conclusion. The 2024 Mazda MX-5 Miata's unmatched blend of lightweight agility, timeless design, and pure driving pleasure has earned it the title of Best Sports Car for 2025. As the automotive world continues to evolve, the Miata remains a steadfast symbol of what makes driving truly enjoyable. For those who seek the thrill of the open road, the MX-5 Miata continues to be the definitive answer.